Class 7th, Unit 2, The Master Artist. The summary of the chapter. This is the story of Monsieur Signe l'Abbé, a master painter of medieval times who painted a portrait in the style of modern cubists rather than in the iconic style of his time. The artist was due to retire from the guild that hired out painters to paint portraits for payment when Giuliano Bartoli asked him to paint his portrait on the banquet hall of his mansion. Initially, Monsieur l'Abbé was reluctant. He was not eager to take on such a big assignment at the end of his career. But then he had a brain wave. Here was an opportunity to paint as he felt inspired and not according to the accepted idea of art in his time. He asked to be allowed to paint his version of the portrait of the wealthy patron. In return, he did not want any payment except board and lodge. He also insisted that Bartoli should not pose for his portrait and should not ask to see his painting while it was in the progress. The patron thought the demands were strange, yet he trusted the reputation of the artist and accepted his terms. Monsieur l'Abbé set to work behind a screen he put up against the 20-feet wall for privacy. Bartoli retired to peep and to ask questions to satisfy his curiosity, but to no avail. After 6 months of waiting, the patron insisted on seeing the painting. It was ready for viewing. Bartoli did not like what he saw. The portrait was not what he expected to see. It did not resemble him in any way. It was not according to the norms of painting of his time. He was furious. The artist failed to understand why the patron could not appreciate his work of art. He had spent 6 months on it. He had painted from his heart. For another 500 years. It was that of cubists like Picasso. The form is called Cubism. Literary appreciation. This is a character story based on a single person, Monsieur l'Abbé. He could be representative of people who think beyond their times, like Copernicus or Galileo. The conflict in the artist is brought out through his desire to experiment and his necessity to conform to the artistic conventions of his time to earn a living. He grabs an opportunity to try out his new technique when he gets a commission to paint a wealthy patron's portrait. He knows he can take the risk because it was his final assignment. The reward he received for the painting was the satisfaction he found in his experimentation. The irony in the story is that the patron was painted in a style that is currently considered one of the modern forms of paintings. Thank you.